i-risk ba niya
that's
yung kanyang
the right
opensa
hook.
on the part of Charles Tondo as he...
Africa, ladies and gentlemen, the challenger, Charles Tondo! Gentlemen, WBA Asia Super Bantamweight Champion, Martin!
Referee Noel Haduka giving last-minute instructions with white trim. Samantala, naka record with 5 knockouts under his...
Good footwork. That's a good left straight. You can see that Carl James Martin is looking for a angle.
you were looking for him to vary his attacks and go...
Ang katawan, ayun. Makikita naman natin din yung left straight.
Giving Charles Tondo something to think about.
And composure as well, partner. You see the night and day difference when it comes to...
Versus Tondo, main event here at Battle of Manila.
He could already parry it. Somebody sasagutin niya with a check. Take note that they are both southpaws.
Yes.
Of having that stance.
That is 100% true.
Let's give...
And he followed it up with a left hand.
Of Carl James Martin.
And this is a promise. That's a great 1-2 from Martin. Minsan bumabato ng 1-2. Etong si Charles Tondo. That's it. Arangkada ng pensa. Another 1-2 combo from Carl. Si Carl James Martin. Both boxers looking in. Oh, that's right. There's a good... Scoring it on against Martin, who is...
Siya katulad ng mga taga-Tondo. Cross coming from Carl James Martin.
There again, Martin.
Came in last Thursday. Pero pinapakita. He asserted himself in the fight. But
between Carl James Martin and Charles catches Tondo with the right, pero nakasagot etong nagagawa.
Set that ito nga si Martin needs to at least vary. It was helpful in those aggressively. Siya dapat yung nasa driver's seat.
Ronnie Baldonado.
Correct.
He got frustrated. He got...
There's no question about the heart of a champion pagdating dito. It's just...
Dalawang boksingero natin, parehong 23 years old. Martin, another good body shot. Well, be careful what you wish for.
Ganun din ang iniisip ni Charles Tondo.
On the part of Charles Tondo as he...
Be the lone Tanzanian here inside the bench.
Against the Filipino champion. That look in his eyes. Oh, that's a good...
Favors Carl James Martin of Charles Tondo.
And we are headed to the...
Nice right.
And I think that's going to be the Asia Super Bantamweight belt.
So far sa kanya lahat ng significant punches.
But that is what Charles Tondo is. Here comes Carl James Martin.
Carl James Martin is back in the game.
Tinatargetan ni Martin.
Here comes Martin!
Well, he has been eating those body punches.
That's the vulnerability. Martin
There
goes for the kill.
He has Martin driving. Eto pong si Charles.
15 seconds left. Less than 15 seconds.
sustain yun ni Martin dito sa round number 7. Double jab from Martin and then he goes to the body.
Or James Martin on the attack right now.
I-re-wrist ba niya?
Oh, that's
Yung kanyang
the right
opensa.
hook.
You have taken that punch well. But
Kasi alam din ni Carl James Martin the only way to.
natikman na niya dun sa round number 6.
Carl James Martin has yet to.
And that's a good left straight.
I'm a bit skeptical here, partner. Let's see so nangyayari sa atin dito. Tondo and Carl James Martin are giving the judges.
Showing some life. If he continues to land that, we'll see Carl James Martin stuns. That's a solid left.
The vulnerability is in the midsection. That's a good up now. Ng round number 9. Martin.
Tondo, Martin stalking. Tondo dito.
He has a lot of time to finish it.
Proving to be
That's a good double jab straight. Oh, that's straight left hand from Carl James Martin.
one.
By a hair lang yung distansya nila.
Going back to the body, ito namang si Tondo going back to his jabs. It somehow stops etong si Martin on his Martin misses with a haymaker there.
Sticking to that.
As he has done so.
Flurry of body shots na yan. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous. Mapapansin mo medyo niluluwa ni Charles Tondo yung mouth guard niya.
To throw some punches. Round number 11 is underway. Ito na naman yung Martin with a relentless attack dun sa katawan ni Charles Tondo.
Nasaktan doon si Charles Tondo.
Ayun na, iniinda.
Carl James Martin likes round 11.
Carlip ka rin dito ha. Talagang he's taking these punches. 1-2 from Martin. Guard. Oh! Carl James Martin laban kay Charles. We have seen more of his body work.
Cinema 6 of SM San Lazaro.
Kumukuha na po ng hangin. Etong si Charles Tondo.
Feat in itself for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds.
Uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Looking for the finish in the dying seconds of round 12.
Exceeded expectations. And the expectation lang naman.
They've been calling also Tayaban and Santiago. This goes about 118, 110. Champion, the Wonder Boy!